Greg here with Southern Star Roofing. We're out here at the Lake Lure house that we're roofing here today, and we tore the shingles off this morning, and now we are getting ready to start installing some metal panels. And we got the metal panel machine on site, and we're running off all of our panels right now for all of our different lengths and what we need on them. So I just wanted to show you all the process of the metal panels being ran off through the machine. So here it is. Two-man process. Running the machine, cutting all the panels to the exact lengths we need. And the guys are on the roof running felt paper right now, underlaying it. Three guys on the ground running off the panels. So just wanted to show everybody the process that we do. So if you have any roofing needs or you would like a metal roof, you can give us a call at 828-844-ROOF. Or you can email us at www.southernstarroofing.com. Have a great day.